Hi my girlies, this is a tutorial on how to make bubble braids. So I'm showing you here the Afro kinky hair that I use. I've already pre-twisted each hair and I've done two. So what I'm going to do now is I use a lash hook, pull the Afro kinky hair and pull it out, and I added half of another Afro kinky, then even it out. Then instead of using rubber band, I prefer using the Afro kinky hair itself. It's quite self-explanatory. I will leave you to watch and enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, follow for more, and share. Thank you.